In this video, I'll be showing you passive income platforms you can invest in to have generational wealth. If you're interested in this video, please like, subscribe to this channel. First passive investment platform we'll be talking about is Cowrywise. Before I show you how to get started, guys, please like and subscribe to this channel so that I'll be motivated to drop more money making videos. Let's get back to the video. Cowrywise is a fintech platform which have been around for more than 5 years that aid you earning passively by investing in best interest mutual funds currently available. All you have to do is go to their website or download their app, which I currently have. You can also go to the description below and click on the link to create an account with them. Once you're registered, I will advise you to download the app. Once you're in the app, this is how you navigate it. To start your investment, you log in. You click on invest. They have two mutual funds investment available, the Naira mutual funds and USD mutual fund. If you're staying in Nigeria, you can use the Naira option. You click on it and go to the new investments. This place has circled red. Click on it. You click on individual mutual funds. As you can see, these are all the percentages available from 18 to 21% annually. You choose anyone you're interested in investing. As you can see, Cowrywise investment portfolio, I promise you 22.9% annual returns. So if you haven't you need to deposit first into your Cowrywise platform before you can actually invest in any of these mutual funds available. Very easy and simple. So let's go to the second platform. The platform we'll be talking about is Binance. Binance is a crypto exchange which aids you to invest and trade in several cryptocurrencies. To get started, you go to their website or the link in my description below, where you register and follow the prompt. Then after registration, you download the app, which I'm using right now. Once you're logged in like this, you click on wallet at the bottom right corner. You click on earn. These are also the annual percentages that each coin can yield you, but I will advise you to choose a more stable coin, which is the USDC or USDT, which is the same ratio as the US dollar. You click on flexible. You will see USDC, which, as you can see, the annual returns is 10%, which is reasonable. Then you go to the investment and click on invest. If you don't know how to deposit in your Binance, you should kindly subscribe, because I'll be doing a separate video for that. So for now, these are the best options if you are thinking about earning passively without doing anything, by just letting your money work for you. Guys, please like and subscribe to this channel so I can make more money making videos. See you in my next video.